Karl-James Langford at St. Peter's Church, and this is looking above the Vale of Glamorgan at the base of the Bronx Valleys really, and we're looking towards the Bristol Channel. Over on the right is Bridgend. Anyway, let's focus this big outcrop of rock places the site, and as we go down towards St. Peter's Church, I haven't been here for so many years. It's mixed up with all the myths and legends associated with King Arthur. It's belonging to the eminent historians Blacket and Wilson, Baram Blacket and Alan Wilson. And as we go towards this site, this is the area where the eminent archaeologist Eric Talbot excavated, 1990s-ish, early 1990s. And the site itself is an extremely sad site. It's owned by, as I said, Blacket and Wilson, and there was a fence around it protecting it. Fortunately, that's been taken down by the farmer. It'd be really good if it's had the niceties and protections that it deserves. One stone sticking out in the graveyard over on the right, and there were many stones the last time I came to this site, but alas, this is one of those pieces of history that seemingly has lost its mantle. So let's read from this gravestone. All the others seem to be smashed up. And this is Mary Robert. Not exactly sure what that is. Anyway, Mary, we salute you. Anyway, back over to looking at the church itself. We're looking into a church that has a key role in the history of this landscape, and you've got a gravestone plonked over there. And anyway, back to this wonderful landscape. We've got this is probably later, this entrance in through to the back of the nave, and we go into St. Peter's, and hairs go up on the back of my neck because I know where the history lies. So many ghosts here. The likes of Eric Talbot has already left us, and we are still away from the answers really. And let's go over, this is, the whole area was where the archaeological excavations took place. And there's, the walls are just, it's really pitiful. And that there looks like you've got entrance into this wonderful chapel, somewhere close to where the lepers' quint may have been. Establishing this church is not that easy, and we go back out through now. This is the porch. On the porch you've got some gravestones. We salute you as well. More gravestones. It's plonked into the porch area really. It's really sad what's going on with this site, what has happened. Look at the view of the landscape that we've got, absolutely beautiful. Lots of water, you can wipe a bit off there. There you go. Anyway, I'm going to end by saying that if there is anyone watching this video, get out here and have a look at St. Peter's. It's not easy to find, not easy at all. We've had people putting us off getting here today. Nobody helping us at all. It's that way, it's this way, but all of those fingers pointed took us in a different direction. Anyway, this is Karl-James Langford. at St Peter's Church, Langford, looking over towards the south, the Vale of Glamorgan, and over on the right we've got Bridgend, and we're looking towards the sea. Thank you very much. We've had an arduous trek trying to get to this site today. This is St Peter's, above Brynna, Langford, and we're just going to start from the stone. We're going to head down. I haven't been to this site for years. There's snow on the ground, as everyone can tell. So I haven't been to this site for long. We've had an arduous trek trying to get to this site today. Footpaths closed. Hello, we've had an arduous trek